Pokemon Unite is set to be released on July 21st as announced by Nintendo. So it will be available on Nintendo Switch, so be expecting it July 21st, the official release of Pokemon Unite. So in this video I'm going to talk about the requirements that you need to have at least so that you can actually run Pokemon Unite on your systems. That means your Nintendo Switch, Android and iOS. So let's get into the video, and if you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon because it's going to help me grow. So thank you guys, and let's get into the requirements. So the first thing you have to notice is that if you are using a Nintendo Switch to actually play a Pokemon Unite, the requirements are: Pokemon Unite requires your Nintendo account to be linked to your Nintendo Switch system. Your Nintendo Switch system must also be connected to the internet. So firstly, for you to actually link it, you must first create a Nintendo account. So I will leave a link in the description for a Nintendo site so that you can actually create your account. Then you will link that account with your Nintendo Switch system. So make sure to do that, and also be connected to the internet when you are doing this in your Nintendo Switch. And for the other method for you to actually run Pokemon Unite on your Android is that you must have at least Android 10 upward, and also your system should be 64-bit system. Okay, so I'm going to show you a screen of how you can actually get through with checking your phone, your Android, whether it is 64-bit. So you will download this app called CPU Z. So CPU Z will allow you to see all your system information. Then you can check through using it. So what you have to do is open CPU Z, then go to system, then after going to system, check under kernel version. So those numbers that are in the kernel version, if it have times 64, that means your system is 64-bit. That means it can run Pokemon Unite. But if it's lower than 64, it is 34-bit. That means it won't be able to run Pokemon Unite. So check whether your system supports Pokemon Unite first. Then the next thing for iOS is that it can actually run from Apple chip Bionic from iPhone 6s to and above, because those are the kind of iPhones categories that support high graphics gaming, and also it is a 64-bit built-in functioned mobile. So that is how it actually works. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon.